There is no discussion going on. Congress party belongs to all members of the Congress party. It is a mass movement.
You type, leave it.
Congress party has been elected in the state. All of them, all the workers, MLAs, MPs, leaders, everyone has brought power to the party. Already my General Secretary in charge and Honorable CM has given a direction to all of us to maintain discipline. Anything is there, let us discuss internally. Things should not be discussed in media. Media will not give any positions. Media will give only adverse effect to this type of comments.
Making open comments
I
against the
appeal.
party and the president, sir.
Tomorrow again Mr. Sujiwala is coming to Belgaum for the arrangement to oversee the arrangement of Jai Bapu, Jai Bhim, Jai Samvidhan rally. I
Sir,
am also
senior leaders
going
make
late
statements. That's why the controversy starts, sir.
Either you hear to me or I will go there, sir. Nothing, no one is eligible to speak anything. I appeal to them, I request to them. Party is more important. Media will not give any positions. Anything is there, the High Command will take care of all their problems.
Sir,